Professor Ahmad Rafique Akhtar, born 15 April 1941, is the mystic of this era. He is a notable Islamic scholar and a humble teacher of mysticism in Pakistan. He has been associated with teaching for years. He started delivering lectures on different Islamic and philosophical topics, and this eventually grew to such an extent that he had to travel all over the country and different places in the world. He is a specialist in the concept and understanding of God. He says, "I did not choose Islam as a religion. I chose it as an intellectual choice and have found it to be the most balanced and internally coherent ideology. And this I would like to convey to people." He also says Allah is the top priority of intellectual curiosity. According to him, every Muslim should set his priorities. He gives tasbeehat, zikr, of Allah's most favorite names. According to him, only tasbeh is the only source through which a man can reach closest to God. Many of his lectures have been published in books. The books are available in more than 35 titles in hard copies, which can be easily bought by anyone by emailing us on our given contact.
ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड चैनल को बनाने का मकसद भी यही था कि उस्ताद मोहतरम प्रोफेसर अहमद रफीक अख्तर के लेक्चर्स को विद रेफरेंसेस आप तक पहुंचाया जाए ताकि आपको समझने में आसानी हो। इस वीडियो में इस एडिशन के बारे में अपना फीडबैक हमें ज़रूर दीजिएगा और इस चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें ताकि आने वाली ऐसी सारी वीडियोस आप तक बर वक्त पहुंचती रहें।